We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Unfortunately. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the fourth syllable. Note that the third syllable is not a tu sound, a t sound, but rather a chu sound. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. The E is virtually silent around the end. Unfortunately. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.